Welcome guys in this channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to create an account and how to use ChatGPT. Go to your browser and then in here type chat.openai.com, or you can use the link that I already added in description below. Okay, after you open this site and then you have to click to sign up. Okay, because you are going to create an account, and then type your email address in here and then hit the button of continue and then type a password. And here also give you a suggestion, a password like this. I'm going to type my password different, so I'm going to type something different in here and then hit the continue button. And now in here ask you to verify your email. Okay, so open your email. Let's open the email. This I received an email from, and then hit the verify email address in here. And here tell us about you, so type your first name and last name in here. I'm going to type Autodesk Learning as my name, and also I'm going to type center. Okay, let's continue. And now in here verify your phone number, so I'm going to type my phone number in here. And then do you have WhatsApp? If you have WhatsApp, yes, it will send you a code in WhatsApp. If you don't have, just select the no option like this, and then it will send you a SMS in your phone number. Okay, so now type the code, and in here there is ask you and tell you something. You have to say next and then done. Okay, here we go. This is how to create an account in ChatGPT. Okay, so in here you can ask anything if you want to. So for example, I'm going to ask what is the meaning of life. Okay, it will start giving information, something like this. Okay, anything if comes in your mind you can ask. For example, I'm going to ask tell me about Kabul. Okay, so it will again give some information like this. Where is Bali? So again it starts to give information, something like this. This is how to create an account in ChatGPT and also how to use this website. Thanks for watching. See you the next tutorial.